Yes, I really don't know. The only thing I need now is just want to settle.
Now, without any skill, no, nothing.
I just want to settle down. That is all I want. I just want to settle down. Like, had it be that I see a job, like a better job or something like that, that one would be like I can. But this one, do you know the worst part of it is that since I came back, all those guys, like they have been disturbing me. Even the first one that I wanted to accept, that one was even messing up. You know that kind of thing. The other one was a drunkard, and you know my dad now.
For me, I will advise you to just collect the money from the person.
Serious?
And give him what he wants. That's all. For me, for my own side. Just look at me. Look at the way I look. This is not the way I look before I travel down to that north. That side is hell. I need that money. If you can connect me to that first guy, I'll be glad. Honestly, don't laugh. I'm not joking.
You're always funny, baby.
It's not funny. No, I'm not funny. I'm not.
You
I'm
and
just serious about
money. You and money. You
I
too
like
money.
money now.
You too like money.
Say everything for this country is money.
Everything is not about money.
Everything is money for me. Oh, for me, for my own side, I like money. I like money to maintain myself, package myself. You know as it be now.
As in,
My dear, I will advise you to collect the money, give him what he wants, and just go.
My dear, please.
Until you see the serious one.
Hold your advice to yourself.
Okay.
I don't need your money. I just want to
Okay.
settle down. That is all I want. But I need someone that is serious, someone that is presentable. You know my dad now. If you just take all this drunkard to him, my dear, I don't know. He will just cut off my head.
For my own side, I'm not even talking about marriage now until I see somebody who is capable to do everything for me.
Yeah.
That is my own point of view. Without it, my dear, just go your way.
You're your own.
And that money is very important to me. I need it.
Baby,
How far now?
I trust you now. I know what
You know now.